Hello guys, today we are unboxing the new Travis Scott. Hello guys, today now we are reviewing the Travis Scott Jordan 1. So today, as you can see, here it is, the shoe, the full shoe. Very nice. You can see the cactus jack on the logo. Here's today the shoes, as you can see. And we are reviewing the shoes and the quality of this one. Now first we're gonna go inside. Hell yeah! And here's the actual shoes. As you see, the boat shoes. I'm sorry for the lighting. It's too bad. Low quality. This is the pattern. It was freaking dope. Yeah, I don't know. You can use this for like outing, for your jobs. Yeah, I think it will fit on your skinny jeans. Hell yeah! Yeah. This is it. I hope you guys like, and I hope you subscribe or like the video. See you in the next video.